Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. I hope you're doing well. In today's video, I'll show you how to build a website in Replit using the latest interface. It's very easy, so let's get started. First, I'll open Replit and click Create Something New. Now I'll click on the message agent box. Here I'll type Build a simple website with a welcome page. Then I'll press Enter. Replit AI will start creating my website automatically. As you can see, Replit is generating the website files and writing the code for me. I don't need to write the HTML or CSS code manually because Replit AI does the work automatically. After a few moments, the website project is ready. Now I can review the generated code, make changes if I want, add more pages, change the text, insert images, or customize the design. Replit makes website development simple and fast, especially for beginners who are learning web development. You can use the same method to create personal websites, business websites, portfolios, landing pages, and many other web projects. That's how easy it is to build a website in Replit with the help of AI. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.